How to run the illness log. Welcome to this training guide on how to generate the illness log. Start by entering the Reports module. Click on the Safety Reports tab located at the top. The illness log displays all illness journal records approved by admin. Proceed to the Illness Log tab. Here, you can search by a specific date or choose a date range, whether it's a month, a year, or a custom range. After selecting your dates, press the Apply button. You'll see a list of all illness records. The information includes last and first names, group, date, and a description of the illness, along with any symptoms identified from the symptom selector. If a temperature was recorded, it will appear in the final column. To narrow down by group, use the Group drop-down menu. Choose the desired group and click Apply to view a list of children in that specific group. To download the report as an Excel file, click the CSV icon at the bottom. That's all there is to it.